Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on your Android device. So if you mistakenly deleted a photo from your device, by watching this video you are one step closer to recovering it. Kindly subscribe and turn on your post notification. Now follow these steps closely. Head to Google Play Store and search for recover photos. Okay, so there are lots of apps here, but some of them aren't working and some of them are paid. So we are going with the second app here, Photo Recovery by AZ Mobile Software. So click on it and then install. Now launch the app after installing. Open. Okay, so we will skip this since we don't want the premium version. Skip. And you will see this page where it says allow file recovery access. So click on allow. Allow again. Now click on scan. What do you want to recover? We want to recover photos, so click on scan image. So this may take some minutes, but don't minimize from this page, else once you return back it will start from scratch. So you just have to wait patiently. Now the process is completed and these are the files available for recovery. Now these files are grouped into categories based on the folders. So what you do is click on the folder you want to recover. So for example, camera, click on camera. And then select the files you want to recover. If you want to recover everything at once, then you click on this button at the top right corner. So it will select all and then you click on restore now. So I don't really want to restore everything, so let me just restore one of these. So for example, so let me just click on this and then restore now. So this is actually instant. So this photo has been restored. Now let me head back to my photo viewer and then confirm this. Now if you notice, there is a new folder created called data recovery. So once you click on it, you will see all your recovered photos here. So this folder wasn't here before now, but once I restored this photo, it created a new folder called data recovery and then it sent the photo here. So basically you can restore all your photos you've deleted weeks and months ago. So basically this is how to restore deleted photos on your Android device. If this was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.